morning to all of you. I am Anushka Shankar, and today's very interesting topic, that is what is the role of parents. We have no parents considered as a god in our life. Parents is the very crucial role play in our life because we can't survive without parents. We can't everything what I do in life, what I getting, what I do, everything do because parents is stay and support. I am studying in college and my parents also submit the fee and another thing and also support and role model in my life. That is the very crucial role play in our life. Parents. That's all from my side.
Okay, good morning friends. So my today topic is role of parents is very important in our so my parents is every time take care of children and parents is the first teachers of in.
Hello everyone, my name is Shil Kumar and today the group discussions and today we are discussing about the role of parents, very interesting topic and you know that parents is important part of our life and my parents is precious gift in our God and my father is a businessman and my mother is proud of homemaker and my father is always help to my study and emotional support and financial supports are provided mother and always take care and guardians and loving in that the home and outside.
Today topic is role of parents. We know that parents are very important in our life and many people say parents give us birth or we take care and give food, but I remind parents are our real power. When the world against you, your parents just like stand with a shield of power, and when we do anything with any type of things, when we are supported by parents and by financially or many things.
My friends, I'm Ritik. Today my important love because he does give everything just like my mother is. My mother is the first of me and children. He teach me a discipline, how to respect elders and many things, seniors. And he cooking food, the housewife, and my father is a farmer, and they are cooking food and giving many things of just like healthy food and things. And my mother is very supportive for me. He giving me do everything, and my father is very supporting and helpful. And he taught me just like my friend, and my father is a role of my life. He just give me some college fee and many things, and just like we need, and give me a hand, talk to each other just like friend, and many things.
Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. My name is Arav, and today is a very interesting topic that is role of parents in our life. We all know that parents play a very important role in our life, mostly in children's life. Parents give children birth and give foods, clothes, toys, and all things, and pay the fee of children's tuition, school, and colleges. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Manisamka. Today is topic about friends, so it is very interesting topics. And then parents is very important role in our lives because it is very supportive persons like money and food supportive. Then parents are very big role in our life. Then you payment fees, then college, schools, tuitions, and I coming this response to my parents is very big roles. Then pay money, many things provided. That's all myself.
My name is Gaurav and today is very interesting topic that is role of parents. Parents are very useful in our life. They pay our school and college fees. They give birth and care us, and they give us clothes, foods, and shelter to live. They protect us, and parents is our first teacher in our life. They teach us respect and discipline. That's all from us.
Good morning everyone. Today topic, my name is Lucy. Today topic role of parents. But we know that parents are very important in our life. Your first teacher and parents. Parents are very. I am very lucky for my parents.
Good morning all of you. My name is Neha. My today topic is role
important is a child life. They are first teacher and guides their children. Parents provide love, care, and protection, which help children to feel safe and confident. Parents teach good values such as honest, discipline, respect, and kindness. Parents all support their children. That's all.
My topic is today role of parents is very important in our life. Parents provide love, care and support. A father said to let his children with child. A mother wake up playing and reading, talking, etc. That's all.
I have a point. So, parents are first teacher of parents, and when I was a child, parents is how to teach and how to walk, how to eat, and the parents is very teach for honest and respectful. That's all.
So guys, I have some point to add in previous words. So my point is, parents play very crucial role. Without parents, we can't survive life. But parents is all are considered and mentioned that parents is the first teacher. So I said mother is the first teacher in our life, because we already read books, comics and copies by teachers and consider all topics and do classes and exam. But in life exams, what life to learn, every little things and social knowledge are considered and give through the mothers. That is the very big point. And we know about how to talk with another one, how to speak, how to go and what I wear and everything, how to cook, manage the society, manage the family events, cultural program and painting, dancing, and this type of thing are also teach from mother, because mother always think that my parents might teach my baby child becomes more mature and more talented from me. All parents are thinking if I income that particular point, then my children have the higher income and higher ranked according to me. That's all.
Parents are every time learn in good manner but in my parents every time learn either person is every time respect and parents learn in good education and many types of things is learning.
And another point is that is we also consider parents as a friend, because we want to share all those things. We behaving like friends. We share all the fears and thoughts, everything. What I today think, what I today want, everything will be shared to the parents, because parents also know about what my child goes in wrong direction or right direction. If I'm wrong direction, then my parents also support and give any give any ideas and also she is the supportive mentor. That's all.
Good morning, guys. Today we are assembled here to discuss very important topic, that is the role of parents. You all know about what is the role of parents in your life, because the role of parents provides the foundation of the child growth and natural natures. They provide lots of things. They provide lots of things, and the role of parents play a very important role in children's life, because they provide multiple things. They provide emotional support, financial supports, and also naturally support. And as per my opinion, the parents is your primary teacher in your child. When you are in a child life, your parents means the mothers and fathers both is your primary teachers to educate yourself, to get the instructions how to play, how to go, how to talk with any other person, and what is the rule and regulation of the societies. They aware all things. They want to aware all things to you, and you can, if you have any problem, so you can directly ask, you can directly discuss with your parents, because parents always support you. If you want to buy any things and you don't have any monies, so you can call your parents, definitely they wants to get you these things. So that is the most important things about the role of parents, and that's all.
If parents having the less literacy, then all the social knowledge also come from the parents. We don't judge our parents become less communication, less literacy, less educated, but always respect our parents, because parents consider as a god in our life, in every life, in everyone consider parents as a life god, because parents play a very crucial role. But parents also know about the child. My child is perfect. Don't compare your child with another child, because it will be demotivated from on self. This is the big thoughts for myself. You also don't compare your parents with another parents. Okay, her parents also buy these new books, new cars, and you can't buy these books, cars, and extra iPhone. You can't this type of things you can't say, because your parents have the limited source, and this source you get a happiness from you. You parents always think my child is getting happy if I am all sources and resources spent in our child.
Parents always want to motivate you because parents wants to you become a successful person. If you want to achieve any goal, if you want to go outside of the home, so parents at that time parents support you, because parents wants every time you become a successful person. If you want to go anywhere, if you want to join any colleges, any coaching, so parents always support you.
Sit properly.
Parents?
All are considered one. What about you?
11.3 you can have.
Sometimes parents are sometimes parents are, there are say everyone you are not doing anything, but sometimes parents behind my back they are saying you can do everything. Just like my father said, do everything, go in the study and very hard and get a successful person. That father said.
If you have parents and friends, then all things are doesn't say with parents. Some have crucials and private thoughts we can't share with parents, because parents are not open minded, but I can share with my friends, because he also one person that is you in your life, he having the emotional support except parents, because all thing in every time 24 hours your parents and my parents also not stay with me. I'm also far from my parents, and here is I'm alone in Patna. But my someone one special friend having shared my thoughts and emotional support. That is also being a little parents for everyone life. That is also the parents. For the also guiding you to which type of food do you save in this place, do you not in this place, and what are you next work, do you make hard work, that of things.
But sometimes we stand wrong thing in our society. Then our parents stand with us. No anybody can point a finger on me.
What? I don't listen.
When I do many wrong thing, just like many bad habit, I adopt earlier time. But when your parents stand with us or me, then you no anybody can point a finger on you what you do, what you can.
No any.
No anyone, no any can point a finger on you to torture or anything.
If I am wrong,
Yes.
if I am wrong,
But
I
when your parents stand with you, then
with me,
yes.
then I am king. Then I don't know about society. I never believe society because my parents always support me. Then my parents support me. Why I am think society? Society doesn't give me money, eats and expenses. Then why I'm listen to the society words? I'm never. I'm forget about the society. What's the society think about me? If in society I am bad, then I am bad. If my parents think that she's my daughter, she's not doing wrong anything, and my parents support me, then I don't consider any type of society. If my parents support, if my parents against me, then I do everything to support him, my parents, and I can do everything for my parents, for her supporting. If our parents beat and speak loudly and make doesn't think कि my parents is wrong because parents think that if my child doing wrong thing, then I punish him, punish her, because parents always think that if someone thieving some sources and go from home and parents doesn't know कि if you go, I don't give any money, then how can you buy this product? Then parents think you are thieving. Then if you then parents think and it is correct, then also beaten you. Don't think if one mistake then you beat, then never you can do this type of work in future.
Then when I was a child, my father teach me many things, just like walking, bicycling, biking, and many things. No one, no school, no college, university, no teach you our life skill. Only my father teach me a life skill, how to survive in this society, this world.
I got it your point.
All are considered.
When I was a child, when I was a student, so parents is very great support for me because
That's all.
that's already
That's all.
and now
Because
you
that's
now
all.
are a student, so you can answer when you are a child. So everything for me and my parents for believe me and so my parents is everything for me.
Give me everything.
Everything
His
on
parents make a very tasty food for him.
Yeah.
Sometimes my parents,
I got it.
sometimes my parents support big support in my life because he live in the village and he send me to the Patna. He go study harder and harder and give me money many things of just like to study and a successful person in his life.
You also got it? Yeah. His parents.
childhood beating for bed.
You are doing the wrong thing. The father
This
will-
is wrong message.
Sometimes when we got a bad result in our school and anywhere, our parents become angry and beat us.
Because
And
then you
then
become perfect result oriented
After some time,
person.
then you become a very successful person.
yes,
Yes.
and
It is good for you.
and whenever the parents beat us, they not and they beat us for that we are going to the bad guideline. So they beat us and tell to this is wrong, don't do this and other things.
You talk with girl,
No,
the bad girl.
He's saying means when he is doing any
bad
wrong things,
guideline.
at
Bad
that time his
line.
parents
Guidelines.
beat him.
Oh, so why are you good, bad girl?
No, it's bad. It
Okay, okay.
means bad guidelines.
You both are brothers.
Hmm.
Parents, which is love most you and you?
Me.
Me.
Because they
You elder, younger.
why?
I just ask friendly, parents loving most from these two guys.
Have any specific?
Both they love is
So why don't you consider me only, and why are you silent?
Because he is younger.
Younger. The elder also get more love.
he got more love than
Wow.
from my grandparents.
Okay, from your grandparents.
He get more love
Why grandparents don't you love?
because I am
Because he fight because he fight all time.
All relatives,
no
All cousins.
all cousins. That's
Cousins fight.
fight with
Fighting.
all cousins. That's why relatives hate him.
nahi
Nahi?
no all relative no but my
Some
grandparents
relatives.
but my grandparents are always angry with me.
Oh, you don't. Your grandparents don't give you
It
money.
means it means number of times
No.
you're doing wrong
Means
things.
sometimes my grandparents are very angry with me, but not all time.
Okay. Who is mature, more mature from both of you? He.
Because he is elder.
Elder.
It doesn't matter who is elder.
Elder. Maturity comes from on self. On base.
Anyone go and come to the stop the camera.
Yeah, yeah.
यहाँ से जाना camera पाँच हो गया था।
अरे भाई बंद कर दो। 5 नहीं हुआ, 10 50 हुआ।
ऑन करो ना सर।
होगा भी कि नहीं?
कैमरा